So, family, I went over by my plantain trees and this is what I saw. That is the tips of my plantains. You see that? That's the tips. So, someone just plucked them all off. But I saw who did it. I saw who did this. And it was a little girl. She is about 7 years old. But instead of me yelling at her and scolding her, I kind of set her down in my chair as we sat in front of my house, and I explained to her what she did and uh, what was the consequences of what she did, and how you should never destroy anything that is alive. So I hope and pray that she learned. I hope her mama learned too, because yeah, I talked to her too. This is what Sunday morning looked like. My, when is this ever gonna go away, y'all? My kale. I'm gonna harvest this today, so I know she's sweeter this morning, huh? Yeah? Oh my, the kale. My little Katrina bed. Yeah, she's frosty. Frosty. She frosty this morning. Ooh. Yeah. Ice. It's still Sunday morning. It's about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Yeah. This is the kale. they the sun has come up and took all the frost away. Now they looking all pretty. Yeah. So this is the kohlrabi I featured this morning. This was my star this morning. And now she looking all happy. She look happy. got all that frost off of her. Yeah. This is more kohlrabis and they're happy over here. They got a lot of leaves that, just dried up. Gotta get them off. Gotta get them off. Yeah, gotta get them off. So I was harvesting a couple of carrots with you all the other day as I was talking about why our vegetables don't look like the vegetables in the store, right? Let me tell y'all something. I messed around and sliced those carrots up. Those things were so good. Oh man, I just kind of stir fried them, saute them, whatever you want to say, in the pan. Oh my, they were so good, so good. I enjoyed them. I really did. Until, yo, I want some more. I want some more, baby. It doesn't matter how small they are. Baby, I'm going to enjoy these carrots. I really am. I really am. Boom. I love it. I love it. um, the carrots I had last night was so good. They were so good. And they were ugly. They were ugly carrots. But they taste amazing. And for me, I have to say, like my baby Sage Marie. Sage Marie motto says, taste is everything. Hmm, that's what she said, y'all. That's exactly what Sage says. And I agree with her totally. They still have ice in here in the bird bath, but I'm gonna get them some food this morning. They have eaten every grain. Let me fill this up. This is ice from my chair. Look at that. All right, let me fill this up. All right, so now the little birds got food. They got food. All right, now let me go and harvest my food. All right, Lavender. Here we go, baby. Let's get some of these greens. This will be for my meal today. How about that? So they all nice and ready, right? They didn't have the kiss of frost on them. Let's do this. I hope you all are having a wonderful morning. I'm having a beautiful morning. I have been to church. Well, today I went to church virtually this morning because, yo, there's too many people over there sick. I love them. I love every one of them. But, I ain't gonna be able to do it. So, I have not, I don't think I have. Let me say that. I don't think I have. I think in the beginning of this season of us with this respiratory thing, I don't know for sure if I was affected or not early before we knew all about it. I have a video up where I got sick. Yep. I remember the symptoms of when I got sick. As a matter of fact, I put up a video and I shared with you all that I was not feeling good. Something was also wrong. And wait a minute, y'all. I called Jody that Friday morning and I told Jody, I said, Jody, last night was the most horrible night I ever had. And she said, well, what's wrong, Mama? And I told her, I said, baby, it was like an elephant was sitting on my chest all night last night and I couldn't breathe. Now, this was before Carnival 2020, right? Just before Carnival 2020. And I made a video. I took you guys with me to my doctor's appointment on that video. Yeah. Led saw that video, right? And Led contacted me and he said, listen, he said, don't worry. He said, Dr. Led is in the house. Led sent me some honey. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back. So this is a kohlrabi I'm going to harvest today. I'm going to bring her in and I'm going to clean her up. Yeah, and I'm going to cook her. And I'm going to eat her. Yeah, but anyway, Led sent me some honey. He sent me some lemons. He sent me some lead poison. And he sent me a cup. When I went to the doctor, they didn't do any blood tests or anything. They just listened to my chest. And now this was before all this broke out here in the States. Well, in my area, let me say that. And what they told me I had was an upper respiratory infection. I got a video about it. It's still up. But that's why I say I don't know if I was, if I had it or not, which I think I did, just by listening to a lot of the symptoms from other people. But nevertheless, I ain't claiming nothing. But um, yeah, my buddy took care of me. Man, I made that little tidy he sent me. And that night I slept so good, yo. I slept so good. So, yeah, there is just too many people at the church, and they say, oh, well, they say we could come back in 7 or 8 days. Well, no, I ain't coming back yet. I got to stay away. And it's simple, it's because I want to protect not only myself, I want to protect my grandkids. I'm with my grandchildren every day. One of them just now gotten over this stuff. And no, I don't want to bring any more stress or pain to my grandkids. So in order for me to see them every day and interact with them every day, I must keep myself safe, right? And healthy, right? So I go to church. I'm going to go to church virtual. Yes, yes, baby. I got you virtual. I'm sitting right in my studio doing my thing. But anyway, guys, this is what I've harvested. I harvest some carrots and some kale and a kohlrabi. I'm gonna get some more kale. I gotta get this off. All right, guys. So I've harvested this kohlrabi. I have one, and I have two kohlrabis. And this will be my dinner for today. Now, I was looking in my freezer for maybe some chicken. Maybe I'll go buy some because I have two types of meats in my freezer, and that is fish and shrimp. So I'm gonna go to the store and get some chicken breasts and some chicken wings. We'll do that, and that will be my dinner. Okay. All right, guys. Let me get in here and get some clothes on and go to the store. So let me share this with you. So this is rainwater. That's what that is, rainwater. But sometimes what I do is if I don't have rainwater, I take my hose and I fill my bucket up. Now, this is city water, whatever, and it have, chlorine or whatever is in it. So what I do is I don't put something else in it to get rid of it. What I do is I just let that water set for about 24 hours. I just let it set for about 24 hours, and the sun will take out all of those the chlorine and stuff out of it. So if you have water and you want to put this water on your vegetables, but you don't want the chlorine, or you want to make some kind of super juice with it, then just put your hose in there, let it fill up, and let your water set for about 24 hours. The sun is a powerful tool we have for free. All right. Hey everybody. So got my greens cooking, and this is kohlrabi. I cut up one. That's the top. This is the other. And I'm probably gonna eat this one raw. It's really good. Real sweet, tasting, fresh. And did I say crispy? Wonderful. But I'm gonna cut it up with my carrots that I harvest. I'm gonna put them in with my greens. But I gotta put my cornbread on, and then I'll be back, girl. All right. Cornbread is ready. I just spreaded some butter on it. Yeah, cornbread is ready, baby. The greens is still cooking, and I do have some chicken in my air fryer. I'll let you see it. I'm getting it together because really now I'm hungry, y'all. I'm hungry. All right, family. This is the greens I shared in that little 52-second video. There were frost all over them and everything. Well, yep, I harvest them, and of course you've seen I harvest them, and I cleaned them and brought them in, and I made me some cornbread. This is some chicken breasts I just put in my air fryer. Now listen, usually I put like some smoked turkey necks or turkey wings. There's no meat in these greens. What I wanted to taste was just the greens. Now this in the greens, that is a kohlrabi. I chopped it up. Oh man, I love that stuff. But this is my my dinner, and good old water, y'all. That's all, just some water. This is right now after the live. I want to thank you all for being here with me. I enjoyed myself. I hope that I help many of you in some way. Okay? In some way, I hope you got some answers. All right? All right, guys. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my meal. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Later, y'all.